Welcome to the Florida Home and Outdoors channel. Today we're going to tie an FG knot. I've got some 15-pound braid line on my fishing pole. The pole is over there. It's the tip is facing away from me, and I've got some 80-pound mono line here, just so maybe you could see it a little better. I usually use a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader. I'll use 17-pound mono, I'll use 30-pound mono, just depends on what type of fishing I'm doing. So the other end of the braided line is in between my teeth, and I'm going to start with the mono line on the left, and I'm going to go away and under, and I'm going to come forward and under. I'm going to repeat that 20 times. Once I've got that, I'll take my line from my rod and I'll pull it tight. I'll pull this up and I'll just make 2 half hitches with my braided line over the top of that knot. Try to keep everything between your fingers. Get the second half hitch on there. And there we go. We'll give everything a pull. Now that's the knot that we have. This knot will go through the eyes of the rod fairly easily. Frankly, I only use maybe 3 foot of leader normally. Sometimes I'll go a little longer. You can trim these off close to the knot. And there you have it. That's a nice small knot. I haven't had the knot fail me once. I have had some leader materials. It seems like they were stiff and the knot would actually slip a little bit on it. But if it stays on long enough for you to give it a good tug, that's all you need. Thanks for watching. Here's that same knot with the 20-pound fluorocarbon and 15-pound braided line. Over, underneath, underneath. We'll do this 20 times. We'll put a couple half hitches. You can do this on the boat. Just snug that baby up nice. We'll snip the ends off. And that'll give you an idea on the size. All right, thanks for watching.